Leadpages versus Builderall. Which one is the best landing page software? This is a question many online marketers are asking, and today we'll dive into these two platforms to give you a side-by-side comparison. Stick around because we'll be giving you an honest breakdown of both options, and by the end, you'll know which one is really worth your time, or if there's a better alternative you should be considering. Let's get into Leadpages first. It's one of the most well-known landing page builders out there, and for good reason. Leadpages offers a highly intuitive drag-and-drop builder that makes it easy to create professional landing pages, even if you don't have a lot of technical skills. The templates are clean, modern, and mobile responsive. But there's a catch. While Leadpages is great for creating landing pages quickly, it lacks the advanced features that some users might need for complex marketing campaigns. It also doesn't include tools like email marketing or CRM automation, so you'll have to rely on third-party integrations for that. This could be a deal breaker if you're looking for an all-in-one solution. Next, let's talk about Builderall. Now, Builderall offers a lot more than just landing page creation. It markets itself as an all-in-one digital marketing platform. You can build websites, funnels, and even do email marketing, all within the same platform. So, if you're looking for an extensive toolkit for your marketing campaigns, Builderall gives you a ton of flexibility. The downside here is that, while it's a feature-packed platform, it can be overwhelming for beginners. The interface is not as user-friendly as Leadpages, and it takes time to get used to all the features. Plus, Builderall has a steeper learning curve, which could be a turnoff for people who just need a quick landing page solution without the fuss. The third thing to consider is pricing. Leadpages offers a relatively straightforward pricing structure with two main plans, the Standard plan and the Pro plan. The cost is a bit higher than Builderall, but you're paying for a simple, no-frills tool that gets the job done. Builderall, on the other hand, offers more plans, each with different levels of access to its range of features. While it might seem like you're getting more for your money, you're also paying for features that you might not use. If you're just looking for landing pages, Builderall could feel like overkill in terms of cost. The fourth thing to keep in mind is customer support. Leadpages is known for offering responsive customer support via chat and email, but it's not always the most in-depth or fast service. Builderall, in comparison, has a reputation for offering decent customer support, but it's often criticized for long response times. If you're someone who values fast and efficient support, this could make a difference in your decision. Finally, the results. Both Leadpages and Builderall can help you create beautiful landing pages, but for different types of users. Leadpages is perfect for people who need a simple, effective tool to quickly create landing pages that convert, while Builderall is better for users who want an all-in-one marketing suite with more features, but are willing to put in the work to learn how to use it all. But here's the thing, I've tried both of these platforms, and while they're good, there's one alternative that really stands out for creating effective landing pages. If you want to get the best results for your landing page goals, I recommend checking out the link in the description for a free trial that offers exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. After testing Leadpages and Builderall myself, I can confidently say that this alternative is the way to go. So, if you want to get started with the best landing page software for your business, take advantage of the exclusive offer in the description. You won't regret it.